Activities with Charles. We're going to be hydro dipping today. I don't know if you've heard of that or not yet. It's where you like take a bucket of water and then you spray paint on the top, and then you can dip things in it. You can dip whatever you want in it, except like cardboard or paper. So it's really cool, and it gets a cool design on the object that you're dipping, and it looks really cool. So we're going to be doing some of that today on like light switch covers things. We'll show you those in a minute, and I've got a variety of colors a little bit, and we're going to do that. Let's go. Okay, so here's our bucket of water. I've hydro dipped a lot of things in it, so it kind of has some paint stuck on. But here's a example of like a lid that I hydro dipped with blue and white, and it makes it look really cool. All types of swirls and stuff. So we're going to, here's the light fixtures covers, and we're going to hydro dip those. So we have white spray paint, blue spray paint, pink spray paint, but I put a gray lid on it because I couldn't find the lid, and actual gray spray paint. And for one of them, I'm going to try to do like a Detroit Lions colors. And for the other one, I'm going to do pink and white. And they should look pretty cool. So I'm going to shake all the paint up, and then we'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm going to do the Lions one first. So I'm going to use blue and gray. And so you just go like this. You go in whatever pattern you want. You slightly spray it in. Grab your other color. Spray it in. Other color. You just repeat that until it looks good. Until it's how you want it. And then you can dip your thing. You can do it wherever you want. It won't hurt it. You just keep spraying. That looks pretty good. I'm going to add a little bit more gray. And then you just pick a spot that you want to dip it in. And then you slowly lower it down in the water, and then it'll be good. Okay, I realized I forgot gloves, so I had to run back inside and get some. That's okay, you don't have to use gloves, but if you don't use gloves, the paint will kind of like stick on your hands, and you can get it off, but it's kind of a pain in the butt, so I like to wear gloves. Okay, so you just go like this. You slowly dip it down in, just like that, and then you wipe away the excess paint, just like that. It makes a cool pattern, just like that. And then you let it dry. While that's drying, we'll do our next one. Okay, now we're going to do the pink and white one. So we're just going to do the same thing. Spray some spray paint. Spray some other spray paint. And just like the other one, we're going to keep doing this for a little while. So we'll get back with you when we're done. Okay, this is what it looks like now. We're going to dip the other one in. Here we go. So that'll end today's video. Like, subscribe, shout out to Jack Daniels Outdoors. See you in my next video.